Hi, it's Kenny with RHR Swag, and today we brought in a 2018 Ford F250 to install our Dometic Center Console Refrigerator. So stay tuned, because it's pretty easy. So these are the tools you'll need. You'll need a drill, a 3.5-inch hole saw drill bit, a Phillips screwdriver, a pen, a vacuum, and removable tape. So to start with, we take this template that comes with the kit and we put it into the center console to the right side. You see how there's a little notch here? That notch is right over this 12-volt plug-in. And what we're gonna do now is, once we have this template where we want it, we're gonna center it up and draw out the center hole. That will be the center of where we're gonna drill it out with 3.5-inch hole saw. Now that we have it marked where we need to drill it out, we got our 3.5-inch hole saw on our 90-degree angle drill, which it makes it way easier to use the 90-degree drill because you cannot get in there with a normal drill. And here we go. And there you have it. You might have a little bit of debris on the edge here. All you gotta do is just kind of peel it off. This comes right off. Next, we're gonna grab our fan that's included with the kit and put it in. You see the locking locks here. You just slide it in and it snaps into place. Just like so. What we're doing now is just a little bit of cleanup to get all that plastic shavings out of your center console, because you don't want that underneath your refrigerator. After you got your fan installed in the hole that we just drilled out, on this particular model, we have to use these spacers on both sides so the cooler doesn't bounce around. You have a nice tight fit. Now, all it is just 3M backing tape that you peel off and you stick on each side. Pull the backing tape off, just like so. Now, there's two of these and they have a little bit of an edge, a round edge on them. Now, if you look into your center console here, the back of it is rounded. So that's how you can tell which side goes where. And all you do is slide it in the back corner here, all the way down and all the way back, and just stick it on with a little bit of pressure. Now, once you got the right side on, you just do the left. All the way down and all the way back, and apply with pressure. Now we have our cooler in here. We're gonna take the 12-volt plug-in, which I really like because it's nice and simple. Just take your plug in here, plug it right into the factory 12-volt outlet. And all you do is spin your cooler around and drop her in like so. Not trying to pinch any of the wires. And on the right side of the cooler here, I just reached down and grabbed our fan plug-in and just plugs right in to the female electrical plug-in. All you do is just you put your wires back down in here on the right side, and that's it for wiring. Nice and simple. Now that we have our cooler installed and all the wiring hooked up, you got to reach down in here and loosen up these two screws. Now, on the back of these are two locking mechanisms, and you got to loosen them up just enough to where it's going to catch this lip here. So you got to do both of them here. loosen them up. Press firmly down in the front here, so it's nice and flat. Then you just tighten them up. They should snug up real nice. Now you don't want to over tighten these because you can crack the plastic. And now it's all secured. Once you've got those two screws secured, you take your nice cover that comes with the kit, and it's rounded in the front here so you know where to put it. And this, all this is, just snaps right in. Just like so. And what I love the most about these Dometic coolers is the simplicity involved in installing them. Now everything's installed. You just hit the power button to make sure everything powers up. And you're ready to put beverages or whatever you want to put into the cooler. And there you have it, folks. We just installed our Dometic Center Console Refrigerator in our 2018 Ford F250.